Hello, everyone. We are a manufacturer specialized in silicone products from Shenzhen, China. CMAI International LTD can provide one-stop service. We will introduce you a POS machine Verifone VX680. A series of silicone products will be used in it. The first part is the sealing ring. The main function are waterproofing, damping and protecting the LCD. The second part is the zebra connector, which plays a role of security protection in the POS machine. This zebra connector conducts electricity with the upper and lower main boards. Once the back cover is opened, when the zebra connector is separated from the main board and the subboard will change from the power on to the power off. At the same time, it will be automatically detected by the main board. Prompt encounter disassembly and trigger the self-destruction system, thereby ensuring information security. The third part is the silicone keypad. The bottom of the silicone keypad is the metal dome. Since the financial system requires security certification, there is a printed flexible circuit board under the metal dome. The main purpose is to prevent the theft of account information and passwords. This silicone keypad could efficiently touch the metal dome, which brings a good physical touch. The process of this silicone keypad is to spray the surface first, and then laser etching. To achieve light transmission, each key can be clearly seen in the case of weak light and no light. This silicone keypad has the characteristics of abrasion resistance, dirt resistance, strong light transmission, and comfortable feel. If you have any problem about silicone product, please contact us. Our email address: peter@cmaiisilicone.com.